Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you? I hope everyone is doing fine. I am back with another video and today I am going to explain differentiation. It is vastly used in science and business. Today I am going to explain an economics differentiation or a business differentiation topic, mathematics, from the number 12 here. The equation is limitation x4 square minus 5x plus 1. So what the limitation means, we'll come to it later. Limitation is denoted by LIM, and let us go to the equation here and I'm going to explain how the equation works. 4x square minus 5x plus 1. What happens in this equation? Okay, 4x square minus 5x plus 1, if we differentiate it, the power 2 is multiplied with the base of the variable. The base of the variable here is 4. So 8x to the power 1. How did this happen? Let us forget the rest of the equation. Let us just think about this part. To understand this properly, we will have to remember two rules of differentiation. What are the two rules? If there is a number base with the variable and if there is a power with the variable x, in this case, that power, from there 1 is subtracted and the power is multiplied with the base, number base. Okay, so 4x square, if from 2 we subtract 1, we are left with 1 and we will multiply 2 with 4, then 8x. Okay, then 5x plus 1. What will we do about this part? Let us differentiate minus 5x. We will just have to think about the 5x part. In 5x, x has a power of 1. Okay, x has a power of 1. What will we do? Okay, we will bring down this 1 and multiply with 5, so we are left with 5. Okay, what we will do next? X to the power 0 will come, because 1 is an invisible power. Whenever a variable is given without any power, then we will assume that invisible 1 always exists. In this case, from 1 we will subtract 1 and then x to the power 0 comes. If x to the power 0 comes, then it will be equal to 1. Okay, x to the power 0, why is it equal to 1? Any number divided by the same number gives 1. Okay, if we understand this part, we will also understand that x to the power 0 can be written as 1 minus 1. X to the power 1 minus 1. Okay, because the original equation is 1, we will be subtracting 1 from it and x to the power 1 minus 1. Okay, so x to the power 1 divided by x to the power 1, it can be written as a rule of differentiation. If there is a minus in the power, then the base with the power is divided by the same base with the power, because the two powers same are being subtracted using minus sign. Okay, so x to the power 1, x to the power 1, if we cut them off dividing each other, for example x to the power 5 divided by x to the power 5, or like x to the power n divided by x to the power n, we will be left with only 1. And previously 5 into 1 we got 5, so it will be minus 5 plus 1. Okay, now we are just left with plus 1. With a number always comes a variable. With a number always comes a variable, and that variable is the rule to be brought here. Why? Let me say, There is no x here. Is there any x here? There is no x here. Okay. So the rule of differentiation is that we will not cancel the number. What then we will do? How does an x come here? The x will be multiplied with the number. As a rule of differentiation, if there is no variable, which is the common variable x in this case, we will just be multiplying that common variable with the given number. If there was 5, if there was 9, if there was 11, if there was 26, we would be just multiplying x with this number, because the number in itself has no variable with it. Okay, so plus x. Okay, so the original equation here is 4x square minus 5x, 4x square minus 5x plus 1. After differentiation, it has become 8x minus 5 plus x. 8x plus x minus 5. What are the things we have remembered here? That we have a power, and from that power we will subtract 1. Before subtracting 1, we will bring down that number and multiply with the base number of the variable. And thirdly, if there is only a number, we will take the dominant or common variable and we will multiply it with the number. Okay, so the final differential equation is 8x plus x minus 5. 8x plus x minus 5. Okay, 8x plus x, what does it become? 9x. Okay, 9x minus 5. 9x minus 5. Okay, 9x minus 5. 9x minus 5 is the answer of the differential equation. What will we do with the limitation 4 now? We will insert the value of the limitation into the x of the equation or the variable of the equation. Okay. So 4 if we enter, then 9x minus 5 is 9 into 4 minus 5. Okay. 9 into 4 is 36 minus 5 equal to 31. If we have no second number in the limitation, we assume we are also entering another number which is 0. If we enter 0 here, 9x minus 5, if we enter 0, then minus 5 only we are left with. Why? 9 into 0 is 0, minus 5. Okay. Then we are left with minus 5. Then we will subtract these two values from each other. Previously we just got 31 and now we have derived at the number minus 5. From 31, if we subtract minus 5, will it be less than 31 or more than 31? Of course, we know that if minus is multiplied with minus 1, we get plus 1. So 31 plus 1 plus 5 is 37. So that is the answer of this differential equation. I hope everyone understood what I explained here. Please don't forget to subscribe our video, like, share, and also hit the bell notification icon. I hope I will be back again soon with another video. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Take care.